Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. I have a good old-fashioned haul to share with you guys today. I'm calling it my birthday haul. Definitely, like, I don't feel like these products necessarily needed to count towards my birthday haul, but maybe we'll just count every purchase in the month of May towards my birthday haul, because girl math says anything purchased for your birthday like really doesn't count. Like, maybe the money exits your bank account, but like it doesn't actually count against your budget, right? Plus I have a bunch of gifts to share with you guys today that are beauty related, that have come in as birthday gifts. So I'm very excited to share all these products with you guys. I have a mixture of skincare, fragrance, and makeup. So if you're interested, stay tuned for this video. Yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project planning content, palette themed content, or just chit chatting about makeup, I'd love if you'd consider subscribing before moving on. And other than that, let's jump into the video. I feel like it's been a little bit since I have filmed with my actual like Invisalign trays in, so if I'm sounding a little bit spitty, that's why. So bear with me on that. Should we start with all things fragrance? Because I have so much fragrance to share with you guys. So we can start with this first. I knew instantly when I like saw the teaser picture before I read any of the like actual scent profiles of any of these, I knew I wanted them all. Specifically these two because of the color of the packaging, but like we needed the trio. So these are the three newest summer releases, like the 3 summer edition mists for Sol de Janeiro. I believe they do this like every single year. I didn't get any of these summer mists last year, but the year prior to that, 2022, I got all 3, and I'm actually almost through all of the 2022 mists. If I said 2023, I meant 2022. Anyway, we have Summer y Amor, and I kind of want to smell all these, but I also like, I'm going to work after this. I'm like, I don't necessarily want to smell like all 3 of these together. Let me grab, do I have maybe like a post-it note? We'll do post-it notes. Okay, so we can start with this one. And I did already smell these the other day. When these arrived, I was like, I must know. So I'm sorry that this is not a first sniff on camera with you, but ooh, okay, and does it say on here? Okay, the notes in this one are energetic notes of orange flower, creamy almond, and sun-kissed woods. I also feel like my nose isn't working the best today. I am getting a bit of that like creamy orange though. This one smells really good. Almost like a, yeah, like almost like a sandalwoody orange cream sort of scent. I really like that. Okay, next up we have Karaoke Crush. How do I say that? Don't laugh at me. Actually, please do laugh at me. I like making people laugh. Okay, this one, I love the color of this bottle. This one is juicy notes of crisp pear, pink violet, and white cedarwood. Definitely I get a lot of the pear coming through. Almost like a, did I say pink? No, I didn't say pink pepper. I feel like I do smell that pink violet though. It's almost like a, I don't want to say a spicy pear, but almost maybe just like a little bit of a spicy pear. I also like that one. Spoiler, I like all 3, which I'm really glad about, because I'm like, it would have sucked if I didn't like one of them and I bought it. This last one, also love the packaging of this. This is Bios de Sol. I'm probably mispronouncing that as well. This one is fresh notes of peach skin, coconut milk, and frangipani petals. What? Ooh, okay, really like this one because I love coconut. And did I say coconut milk or just coconut? Coconut milk. Yeah, it does smell like a milky coconut. I'm not really getting much of the peach. I am getting like heavy coconut milk, and then maybe like a floral coconut milk. Okay, I feel like this one will probably end up being my favorite just because I do love the coconut, but I really like all 3. And what I like about the Sol de Janeiro body mist is I feel like they have good longevity. What I have found with so many of the body mists that I've tried lately is they have no wear time to them. So I really love these for that. Oftentimes I'll have one of these like in my car one of these potentially at work, and then one in my summer beach bag. That's kind of like, I just carry these around with me at all times, but just even looking at these three, it just makes me happy. So I'm very glad to have those. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if you picked any of those up. And then we can keep going with fragrance. Speaking of coconut, Sniff came out with a new scent. Where is mine? Okay, yes, I have Cocoa Shimmy here, which I love a coconut. So when I saw they were coming out with a coconut scent, I was so excited. I don't necessarily have, where did that box go now? I'm so disorganized. I don't necessarily have the notes on it. I don't think it says on here. I did actually purchase straight from the Sniff website, and I just purchased the little trial size so that I could try it before I bought the full size. And I will say I do really like this one. It definitely is like a heavy coconut scent. So if you don't like a coconut sunscreeny sort of scent, probably not going to be your jam. But if you're looking for kind of that like iconic, just like typical sunscreeny, tropical coconut sort of scent, I feel like this could be right up your alley. I don't necessarily see myself buying this in a full size just because personally, I like the banana, like the hint of banana in the vacation scent, and I feel like these two are kind of giving similar vibes, and I just prefer the original vacation scent a little bit more to Cocoa Shimmy. Now I still like this and I will get use out of it. I will finish this up, but I don't think this is going to be full bottle size worthy in my opinion. You'll also have to let me know if you've tried that, and let me know what your favorite summer fragrance is. More fragrances for my birthday. My mom, I thought my sister got me this, and she was like, no, this one's from mom. It is from Rare Beauty. It's the Fine Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. So this was on my wish list, or my Sephora VIB wish list, but I ended up taking it out of the cart just so that I could free up space for spending on other things. But I was so excited to get this, and I just sprayed the, well, I can mix this. I'm gonna spray this one in my hair maybe because I straightened my hair today, and you know when you get that burnt hair smell. This has a really nice scent to it. It's definitely more of like a warm, cozy sort of scent. Definitely giving a little bit more like fall winter vibes. My one complaint with this is I feel like there's no wear time to it. Although now that it's like sprayed in my hair, we'll see if maybe my hair still smells like this later. I like this, but I don't think I would repurchase this just because I don't feel like there's enough longevity with that. But excited to get to try that out. And then my sister for my birthday got me the Nest Balinese Coconut Perfume Oil Rollerball, which I am so excited about. I have a mini of this and I love this so much. I love to just put this on my wrist every single day in the summer and just smell it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this, even though I have the mini still to work through, putting a little of this on my wrist right now. This just takes me back to last summer and good memories, and again, I love coconut, so I'm very happy to have this in my life too. Thank you so much, Hannah, for picking that up for me. And then finally, this was a gift from someone special in my life. This is the Cosmic Kylie Jenner fragrance, and I went into Ulta and smelled this because I thought the bottle was really unique. When I first saw this, I was like, okay, I really like this bottle, but like I wonder how it smells. Went in stores, smelled it, and I freaking loved it. And so I asked for this and I got it. And I'm gonna spray just a little bit of the sun too. This is, I don't know if it says the notes. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. So the notes of this one, on the top or the opening, blood orange, which I do get a little bit of that blood orange, which I really like. Then it has golden amber accord, red peony, vanilla musk accord for the base, and cedarwood. And then it says overture. Oh, sorry. In the opening, there's also star jasmine as well. This I really enjoy, and I feel like this would be a fragrance that would kind of be like universally accepted. Like I feel like a lot of people would like this. It doesn't lean too heavy, it doesn't lean too floral, it doesn't lean too powdery, it doesn't smell old. It's just a really nice scent, and I've been enjoying this a lot so far. So that is the last fragrance that I have to haul for you guys. Let's see, my grandma's birthday card. What else is in this box? Okay, so from Sephora for my birthday gift, I decided to go with the Summer Fridays little set. So in it, I get a small jet lag mask and a little Summer Fridays lip butter balm. I really like both of these products, and I've been wanting to repurchase the Summer Fridays jet set or jet lag mask for quite a while. And I almost actually purchased it right before leaving for Vegas. And I was like, no, this is money you do not need to spend. So then when I saw it available as a birthday gift, I was like, ooh, a free way for it to come into my life. So this was my birthday gift. I'm very excited about that. And then also free gift with purchase when I purchased the 3 of these. I ended up getting the Refy Lip GLoss in clear. So I'm also excited to give this a try. Let me just rip this box right open. Look at the cute little packaging on this. I love a lip gloss. So very excited to have that in my life. And then speaking of lip gloss, my sister knows me all too well. Or is it considered knowing me all too well? Because I talk about this literally all the time. Like even a stranger should know I love the Lawless. Forget the filler. But thank you so much, Hannah, for picking up the maple sugar shade for me, because I also wanted to pick this up during the Sephora VIB sale, but I talked myself into only purchasing myself 1 shade, and I'm so excited to have this beautiful brown shade in my life. I do have a plumping gloss on already, otherwise I would put this on, but so freaking happy to have this in my life. I mean, just all the Lawless forget the fillers. Would never be upset about a Lawless forget the filler. Okay. Next are all things I bought for myself. The birthday girl felt like she deserved a little bit more. Okay, because I'm getting old. Age is just a number, really. But I'm like, dang, my skin needs some help. So I was in Ulta and I ended up picking up, because I've been really self-conscious about my under eyes lately, I ended up picking up this kit from Good Molecules. It's the Energizing Eye Kit. And in this, you get their Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel, which I'm really excited about. I've gone through a full one of these in the past, and I'm kind of just excited. I feel like this is something really easy to stick in my desk, and this is something I'll use in the morning. So it'll just be at my desk. I can just plop this underneath my eyes before I do my makeup, and hopefully it'll help to energize underneath my eyes a little bit. But then it also does come with some caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. I feel like I go through spurts where I really like using eye patches, and then I don't feel like I need to use them so much, but I was feeling in the eye patch mood when I was shopping in store at Ulta, so I picked this kit up. It was a pretty good deal too. Then while I was in Ulta, I also needed to re-up on my Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. This is my favorite clarifying shampoo that I've used. And I will say I have really, really, really thick hair, and I feel like I'm getting a little bit more picky about my shampoo and conditioner. And this has been out of my collection for a little bit, and I've been missing it. So I decided to pick this up. That was just like, I needed to restock that. And then while I was in store, I almost repurchased the Stila Glittering Glow in, I think, Wanderlust, but then I walked by the About Face eye paints, and these are a little bit less expensive. And then I swatched the shade, what is this one? I think Smolder. And this is a really beautiful kind of satin taupe sort of shade, or almost maybe like a satin pinky taupe sort of shade. And it has like pink and blue sparkle running throughout it, which is just something I absolutely love. So I was like, girlfriend, let's get this. It's half the price. We already know these are not products I reach for all that frequently, although I will say my makeup preferences are changing. And I have another shade in the About Face eye paints, which I know the longevity on these is really good. I'm not as in love with the other shades, so I thought I would just give this one a try. This was my birthday treat to myself, from Ulta at least. And then I did end up making one additional purchase on the Ulta website because I wanted to get my Ulta birthday gift, and I was just about out of my Way body cream in St. Bart's. So I ended up purchasing or repurchasing the St. Bart's body cream. I freaking love this. The wear time, like the amount of time that you get off of like putting this on your body and still smelling like this St. Bart's just tropical vacation sort of scent, is incredible. I feel like I've told this story before, but when I was in Las Vegas, I went down to the desk to like actually check out, and I had put this lotion on right before heading down there, and I didn't put any other fragrance on, and the front desk lady was like, ooh, what perfume are you wearing? And I was like, it's actually not a perfume, it's just this body cream. Now I do know that they have come out with a St. Bart's body mist, and I'm considering purchasing that, but I'd like to see like what people are saying for wear time for that first. And honestly, I'm just very happy with the body cream. For my Ulta birthday gift, I ended up going with the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Polish Gloss, and this is in the shade Dolly. I love the Buxom lip glosses. They're like second or third favorite. Obviously Lawless, Forget the Filler is number one. But it's just this cute little baby Buxom. I feel like I could never have enough Buxom glosses either, so I have that. And then I also did, while I was on the website, I've been wanting to pick this up, but I haven't found it in stores yet, so I ordered it online. It's the new e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, which I have not tried yet, but I'm really excited to. I love the color of this. I love that it is supposed to be power gripping, so hopefully will increase the longevity of my makeup wear time, but also dewy, because I don't like to look matte, flat, or dry. So I'm very excited to give that a try. And then finally, I have two more products that I picked up from Ulta. I actually may have placed this order at the very tail end of April or like May 1st. But Blushing Bookworm, she's Blushing Bookworm on Instagram. I absolutely love her account. I'll leave her link down below. She had swatched MAC Satin Taupe, and that used to be like the one eyeshadow I wore. Like I literally just wore MAC Satin Taupe, and it really brought me back. So then I was like, do I need to purchase another MAC Satin Taupe? But their single eyeshadows are so expensive. And then I realized there is Satin Taupe in this 6-pan eyeshadow palette. This is the Artist Curated Smoky Tones eyeshadow palette. And I will say, like, sitting in here, I'm like, I don't remember this is what MAC Satin Taupe looked like. But it is, supposedly. Unless I don't know if they've reformulated in the last decade, because I feel like it's been a decade since I really went ham on this shade. But I picked this little 6-pan up. I feel like this is right up my alley in terms of just like a cool toned smoky look. I feel like this is something I could definitely take traveling with me, and I'm just excited to have MAC Satin Taupe back in my life. I've swatched this, but I have not yet put this on my eyes. So I have that. And then I also saw that Buxom, speaking of Buxom glosses, they had a new shade and it looked so pretty. It looked like this pale pink with almost, I'm like pink golden or pink, I'm like, is it gold or is it like a silver sparkle running throughout it? But this is the Buxom Full On Lip Plumping Polish in the shade Golden Dolly. So maybe more like of a golden pink, which again, I absolutely love the Buxom lip glosses. They last forever, for freaking ever. Like this will take me forever to go through. And I thought this would be such a beautiful shade for the summertime. So I couldn't resist picking that up as well. And then finally, I have 3 pickups from Sephora to wrap up this birthday haul. So I did end up going in stores to return my Janessa Myricks Yummy Skin like tinted moisturizer so that I could exchange it for a second shade of the Supergroup Protect Tint Daily SPF. I ended up getting the shade 26W, which I'm hoping will be a good match for me when I self-tan. I already have a lighter shade, which I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale, and I fell in love with this product. It does an amazing job at protecting your skin. I tested it in 90-degree Vegas weather for 6 hours at the pool, and I did not burn. So very excited to have this for the summer. I think it looks beautiful on the skin. And then while I was in store, I really did regret not picking up the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. I feel like I've been missing this in my collection since I finished it up, and I've been thinking about repurchasing it multiple times, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna purchase this because I feel like this is what my aging skin needs at this moment. I just feel like it doesn't look as heavy as some other powders. So I picked up the shade Feathery in the Kosas Cloud Set Powder, and I'm very excited to have this back in my life. And then I did walk by the Give Beauty little display, and I have been thinking about, the Give Beauty packaging, I'm just so here for it. But I ended up picking up one of their Feeling Cheeky blush duos, and I picked it up in the shade Stars Aligned because I thought this would be like the perfect like ready brown neutral blush duo for the summertime. I've been wanting to pick up one of their blush duos since last year. I thought about picking up the bright orange one, but then I was like, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot more use out of this. I've been really into like a nude neutral blush these days, and I just felt like this was right up my alley. So I treated myself to this as well. And after that, you guys, those are all of the makeup, beauty, and skincare products that I hauled for my 33rd birthday. I do still need to film my Q&A. I do still plan to do that. I'm like way behind on life and filming, but thank you all for the birthday wishes and for the questions for that Q&A. I'm hoping to get that up before the end of May. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch and for supporting me and my channel as you guys always do. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.